Hello everyone. In this demo, I'm going to present the market leader of business intelligence, that is Tableau. Before I'm going to start, let me give you my introduction. I'm Sayansh, working with L&T and have total 10 years of experience in business intelligence. In this 10 years of experience, I worked on various business intelligence tools, starting from SAP Business Objects to ClickView and Tableau. I am certified professional of Tableau, ClickView and Business Objects. I am working as a trainer from past 7 years and almost taught 3,000 plus students till now. I started my career with SAP Business Objects, which was market leader for almost 10 years in one row. Then what attracted me towards Tableau? So if you ask me what attracted me toward Tableau, Tableau has an awesome visualization. Tableau has an awesome visualization. For an interview, this is quite a good answer, isn't it? But if I talk about practical real world, then the whole IT industry is moving towards Tableau and ClickView. The whole IT industry is moving towards Tableau and ClickView. Tableau has rich set of customers like Apple, Microsoft, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Walmart, Ferrari. Let me show you. Are you able to see the screen? Can you see? Almost all the big clients of all the domain are the customers of Tableau. So that is what attracted me towards Tableau. A good job and an awesome package, isn't it? And I feel myself lucky that my current employer allowed me to work on different technologies for different clients. Before I move ahead, let me tell you my teaching methodology. I usually don't feel good to give you a knowledge through presentation slides. I always write it in a notepad because it gives me more interaction with my students. I love to have a class on an interactive way. It will be a both-side communication. And I always give credentials to my students to handle my desktop, or to handle my softwares in front of me. I will guide them and they need to complete the task. They need to complete the task within a deadline. They need to complete a project within a deadline in front of me. So it will be in my class, it will be always a two-way communication. So now let's learn about Tableau. So let me tell you a very interesting story. For all the business intelligence people, their life is somewhere linked with Gartner Magic Quadrant. Their life linked with Gartner Magic Quadrant. Who is Gartner? Gartner is a research and analytical firm. Every year, they released their market survey on business intelligence, ETL, and the hot technologies on market. They are the pioneer of business intelligence. The word business intelligence, it's a very interesting point that the word business intelligence, I'm sure you heard it many times. It's actually derived by Gartner, an organization. At the late 1980s, they give this terminology business intelligence to the whole world. So, as per the Gartner Magic Quadrant, Tableau is the most hit technology of 2015. Let me show you their Magic Quadrant. Can you see this Magic Quadrant? Can you see all the business intelligence tools are mentioned over here, and it is 2015 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Business Intelligence and Analytics Platform. You need to just concentrate on the leaders. Don't concentrate on challenger, niche players, or visionaries. We need to concentrate only on leaders, and in those leaders, you will find Tableau at the top. ClickView, Microsoft, MicroStrategy, SAP, they all are far, far behind than Tableau. So that is why it is one of the best business intelligence tool, or the leader of a business intelligence tool of 2015. And even as per Gartner, it is going to lead for the next 5 years. Now, let's learn about little bit history about Tableau. Tableau is an organization, American software company, founded in 2003. From 2003 till now, Tableau released their many versions. They released their many versions. They started with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now 9. In earlier stages, Tableau was not very stable tool. It is not at all very stable tool. But slowly, with each release, it comes with more stability. From version 7, all organizations started following Tableau. Now the version 9 is very, very, very stable. Tableau offers 5 main products. Tableau offers 5 main products. Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Public. So, Tableau offers 5 main products: Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Public. Among these, Tableau Reader and Tableau Public, Tableau Reader and Tableau Public is free tool. Tableau Public is a cloud-based web utility. Developer, when they create their visualization, dashboards, and reports through Tableau Desktop, they publish it to Tableau Public, and then users access those reports from their account. So Tableau Public is like a web browser. It's like, it opens in a web browser. It's like a portal from which you can access your reports, your dashboards, and take decisions. Why I always prefer to teach my students through Notepad instead of PowerPoint presentation, because guys, after this class, I will provide you this Notepad, and it will be always be handy with you. Whenever you go for an interview, just have a look into the Notepad and go ahead. I have all the training materials with me. I have PowerPoint presentation slides with me. I have the Tableau proper learning materials, which are almost all of them are created by me. I will share those documents with you. Don't worry about any learning materials. My learning materials are sufficient enough to teach you. So, what's the difference between Tableau and the other BI solutions which are available in the market? What's main difference between Tableau and the other BI solutions which are available in the market? These BI solutions, what's the difference between them and Tableau? The main difference between the Tableau and the other BI solution is data visualization, data analysis, performance, and low cost. These are known as 4 pillars of Tableau. Data visualization and data analysis. They are very, very smooth and very, very impressive in Tableau. Performance by Tableau is much, much faster than any other business intelligence tool available in the market, and it's of very low cost. When within a low cost such a great tool is available, then why the organization will go for any other tool? Now, let me go through a Tableau desktop. Let me go to the Tableau desktop. Let's create a small dashboard for you guys. Okay. So this is the start screen. From here, we can connect to the new data. We can connect to the saved data sources and open recently used workbooks. In Tableau's terminology, dashboards are also known as workbook. In the connect pane, you can see vibrant data sources over here. You can find the relational data sources, you can find the online data sources, you can connect through Excel, Access, you can connect through SAP HANA, you can connect through Teradata, MySQL, Oracle, online area, Amazon. Wow, right? So for this video, we connect to the Global Superstore sheet. This is the Global Superstore database, which comes with an installation, Tableau's installation. The Superstore data is an Excel file this is the Excel file. Okay, it's shaped like a database table. This looks like a database table. The first row contains column headers. The first row contains column headers. This data set contains, this whole data set, the data, underlying data, contains transaction of customers purchasing specific products, transaction of customers purchasing different products. Okay, so we are going to create a small dashboard with the help of this database. Now, let me go to the Tableau desktop and choose connect to Excel. Let me choose sample Superstore. Perfect. This is the processing request window and it is executing the query. Now it is showing me 3 tables over here, right? Now we are in the data connection window. This is called data connection window. In this window, you can select the table for which you want to create a visualization or the dashboard. Let me select orders. You can directly drag and drop or you can double click. Let it load. Perfect. If you want to add another table, you just need to drag and drop or double click. So let me add returns. Can you see? Tableau desktop automatically create a default join. Tableau desktop automatically create a default join. Clicking on this icon and you will get the information that which type of join it is. So this is the inner join. You can change this to the left, right, or pull out a join, and even you can change the primary keys or foreign keys over here. For this presentation, I'm using a single table, orders. Let me remove return from here. Let me show you one more very interesting thing. This bottom panel helps you to provide the preview of the data. By right click on the header, you can change the header name. If I click on rename, you can change the header name. You can change the data type also. If I click on this, you can change it to string, date, boolean, whatever you wish. Okay. Now come to this order ID column. Can you see one thing? Let me take a sample of this. So the data is like CA 2013 152156. I just take this first value. So here, CA. Actually, it's the whole order ID is divided into 3 data. Okay, it's divided into 3 parts. The first part is about distribution center. The second part is about year. And the third part show you the product number. So if I want to split it in 3 different parts, it is very easy. You just need to click on order ID and split. Can you see it's split it into product, distribution center, it's split it into year and the product number. Isn't it very interesting? So let's assume for this presentation, I want to keep only the distribution center with me. So let me delete split 2 and split 3. Let me delete this. And instead of this weird name, order ID split 1, let me change the name to distribution center. Perfect. Now, the above option, can you see it? Now come here, over here. Can you see here, connection? There are two radio buttons over here, live and extract. The above option of connection, live and extract, play a very important role for faster response time. A very, very important role for faster response time. We will learn this concept in detail during the class. Let's choose live right now and click on the sheet tab down here in the bottom. This is the canvas for you where you need to create your dashboard. Now, in this screen, you need to create your dashboard. Okay. So, let me bring category to rows. So category is available in rows now. Let me bring quantity to columns. Look, it is generated, right? Now let me drag customer segment to rows. Here is the segment. And let me bring order date also to rows. Instead of segment, let me bring, okay, perfect. And let me bring order date to columns. Yep. And let me do one more thing. Let me bring order date to color. And can you see 2011 is in blue, 2012 is in orange, 2013 is in green, 2014 is in red, right? So we just created a small dashboard, but Tableau is not that small. There are many things to learn. There are many things to experiment. I just want to show you that how effective it is, how glossy visualization Tableau can provide you. That's the only reason that it's a market leader. That's the reason that it is a market leader. Just click on this presentation, you will find that. If I want only 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Isn't it wow? Great. Whenever I draw a new dashboard, I always feel excited. I joined the organization. I joined software industry at the year 2005, and from then onwards, I'm in business intelligence only, and I love this tool. I love the whole concept of BI. Now, let me show you some more interesting things. Now, let me show you some big dashboards, which will give you the idea that how Tableau is used as a BI solution by the leaders. Okay, I selected few dashboards to display in this demo. Okay, the first dashboard that I'm going to show you is about website traffic trends. These all dashboards will give you the idea that how the live dashboards work in the customer end. The second dashboard is about sales and opportunities. The third dashboard is about District of Columbia crime spotting. District of Columbia crime spotting. Let's go one by one. Let's start with website traffic trends. Let me open the dashboard first. Isn't it interesting? So let me give you the brief about this dashboard. Okay, this is about actually analyzing the website traffic trends, which let's assume the user requirement is which part of my site is most popular in each region. This site is connected directly with Google Analytics. This dashboard shows traffic trends by country. It will show traffic trends by country, section of website visited, and number of visits in a given time period. Number of visits in a given time period. Drill down to examine visitors' behavior by visualizing the breakdown of exists, bounces, and conversation. Now, here, if I want to know that, how about India? So you can directly go to India. You can expand the screen. So here you will find that total 19,000 visits, and you can get the idea that how many people is blogging over here. how many people register? Can you see it is highlighting? Can you people click on the training? How many people are user generated? You can have a different view of this dashboard with the help of a tab called page metrics over here. Can you see a page metrics over here? Okay. In this page matrix, there are different sections over here. If I click that, I need to find it about how many people blogs. I want to find out how many people register. I want to find out how many people search. So this whole website, this whole dashboard gives you the idea about website traffic. This dashboard helps the user to find out where your site is a hit or a miss. Right? Whether your site is actually a hit in the market or a miss. So this is about analyzing website traffic trends. Let me go to the second dashboard about sales and opportunity. I'm showing you this dashboards, guys, because you can easily understand that after getting the class, after getting training, how you develop, what's the final output. And believe me, after the training, you will understand, you will get properly trained to design these type of dashboards. I will give my best to teach you. Now let's go to the second dashboards about sales and opportunity dashboard. This dashboard actually uses Salesforce.com data to analyze sales opportunity and performance. Let's open this. With this dashboard in hand, you can make more informed decision. User can make more informed decision on where to focus sales and marketing efforts. Can you see this dashboard? And this dashboard is actually overall divided into two parts: small and middle-sized organization and enterprises. So if I click on small and middle-sized organization, I got the data just for small and middle size. If I click on enterprise, I got the data for enterprise. And if I go by over here, can you see the data is changing? Week of 16th March 2008. Quite little low data, but that's fine. That's help you to understand that how Tableau is efficient. Can you see how good it is? How easily it will give you the idea that how much sales and opportunities. So this is actually the sales dashboard. It will help you to understand. Let's say I want to click a salesperson. Let's say Dan Rivera. So click on Dan Rivera. You will find that sales team is $332,553. Revenue is 40.3 M. You click on the opportunity dashboard and it's like this. Okay. So in this dashboard, you can find it out. This is called dual axis graph. You will find a line graph over here and you will find an area graph over here. Okay. Which graph to use in which section? Okay. Which graph to use in which study, I will help you to understand that. So here you will find the blue area is actually the about opportunity amount and the orange one is a win rate. Okay. You can click the regions over here. If I want to search just for India, uncheck all, and choose IM. You can search it from here also, or just type I and click on that. Can you see? It's about India. So this is a sales and opportunity dashboard. It gives you the proper idea about sales and marketing effort, where to focus. Let's go to our third dashboard, and that is very, very interesting dashboard. Okay, and this dashboard is about crime spotting, and you know, this dashboard is used by police. Do you ever wonder how we can use the dashboard or a business intelligence solution to use data to prevent the crime? How can you use a BI solution to prevent the crime? Let's open this. This visualization shows where crime takes place by type. Okay, you can find out where the crime takes place by type and which day of the week. This kind of information gives local police more guidance on where they should deploy their crime prevention efforts. You can, let's say I just want to see homicide. So just click on this. You will find that homicide happened in 7th district. You can, if I want to see sex abuse, so these are the area. If I want to see robbery, so many area, right? You can find it out the same thing over here also. Like if I want to see theft, if I want to see the robbery, here you will get the idea. Here you will get, you can choose the crime type, but this is, from here you can find the percentage, like theft is 25%, robbery is 16%, theft of auto is 20%, burglary is 13%. You can choose, even you can more do the filter of crime type over here, and you can choose the district from here, like how many crime happened at the 5th district. So you will get the idea. How many crime happened in the 7th district? You will get the idea. So this dashboard helps you to prevent the crime. So I choose the 3 different types of dashboard. The first will give you the analysis of website traffic trends. The second gives you the analysis of sales and opportunity dashboard. The third one about District of Columbia crime spotting. I choose 3 different type and the 3 different area to give you the proper understanding that how Tableau is a wonderful and a marvelous tool. After learning Tableau, and if you properly learn this, if you give your 100%, I give my 100% to you as per my teaching and as per my training. You also need to give your 100%, and we will create a wonder. Okay, you will get a good job, a good package. At the end, let me tell you that what's the syllabus. So this is the Tableau online training for us. We will start with the introduction and overview. We will start with the getting started, analysis, creating views, getting started with the calculated fields, formatting, building interactive dashboards. Quite interesting part. We'll see how to share the workbooks how to publish it, and we will do the task. We will do that some real-time task. Okay, I will give you some task. I will give you some deadline. You need to complete it within that deadline. For a BI consultant, it's very important to be little speedy. Do it in a speed manner. Okay, that makes you more efficient. And at the end, we will see the best practices. After each and every topic, I will provide you the learning material. Okay, I will help you with your resume. And at the end of the class, I will provide you the question and answers of the Tableau, interview question and answer. And believe me, those interview question and answers are tried and tested. If you go through those interview and question and answer, you will break any interview available in this industry. So guys, thank you for watching Tableau demo. We invite you to join our class and learn more. Thank you very much.